which is why we are doing this video. So in today's video, I am unboxing something exciting.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thulisile Kolweni. If you are new here, welcome, and welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing, commenting, and liking this video. I would really appreciate that a lot. And if you are my day one, thank you so much, my loves, for coming back. I love you guys so much. Something I've been wanting for so long, and to see the growth that I see in my content and in the people that view my videos is like so inspiring. And I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you for inspiring me. Thank you for motivating me to be in this space that I am, and thank you for allowing me to be me. And thank you for always sharing advice and all of those things. I really do appreciate it. So without wasting too much of your time, because I'm too excited myself, I have something for you guys. Don't even know. Honestly, making such a huge purchase for me, for my YouTube channel, was so exciting that I felt the need to actually record. So this is what I got. I got the vlogging kit. It's called Premium Vlogging Kit. The whole process, but unfortunately I will not be able to share all that information because that is more private. This is what's inside a body of my camera, a M50 Mark II. That's the camera, and then the lens, and then tripod. It comes with a mic, and then it comes with an SD card, which is so small. The space is so small. I'm gonna need more of this. The camera. I think this is the camera and the lens. Then we have the microphone. And then we have okay, let's start with the least exciting things. No one wants to see my balance and all those details. The tripods. Let's open the tripod. So it says 1K kit, so I think that is the weight of it. Obviously comes with a warranty and instructions. I just made it so that I can make this recording because I don't know. I still have to figure out what is this part for, because I don't know. Because I know here it's when you want, I think, to turn it around, turn this part around. We have the microphone. I actually thought that the microphone was the robe one. I'll put a picture of the one that I thought somewhere here, the one I'm talking about, but it's not. But that's the microphone. It is the robe one. It's just a different one. It's not the one that I'm talking about. And I believe this part is the part that you put into the microphone and into the camera, right? And then you mount it on top. For the big part, for my favorite part, I don't know about you guys, but for my favorite parts, the camera. How stunning is she? She is gorgeous. She's glorious. Able to make like a recording that is like to say that this was the SD cards. adapter to charge. Ooh, the lens, baby. These are the lens. Oh, I love that they are closed. Boop, 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 boop. Hey, I love this. The baby of the moment. This is she. I know it. Then this is where I'm gonna put the lens. Then I'm charging if it's full. Okay, this is the battery. This is the adapter I showed you. This is the pin. There we go. We are in searching. Okay. I just put on the microphone, and then I also did put on the, what do you call it, the SD card. I also did put the SD card there. I don't know if you can see it. And then I'm just quickly charging the battery because it is dead, which is why I need another battery. That's the camera. But yeah, that's the camera. I am so excited. It's the small things for me. I'm so excited that it comes with this. I actually thought I had to buy this separately. So that is one. That is very sentimental to me, because this is wild. It's actually very wild. As much as I wanted to have a camera, I was always like, oh my goodness, what are the chances of me trying to save all this camera and then being able to purchase it? Has proven that anything is possible, that I can save if I really want to save, and then if I put my heart into it, like, it is possible. It doesn't matter how much I earn, but I was able to make this purchase, and I was able to save for it for some parts. But yeah, I am truly excited, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy the content. And yeah, thank you so much for your support always, for constructive criticism. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. That's my baby, guys. What I'm gonna do is battery to charge, and then I don't know, maybe tomorrow I will finish this up. Like, I'm gonna do a transition to see that, so that you guys can see the difference with the phone that I'm using, I'm using my husband's phone, which is the P30 Lite, and then I also took a clip with my phone, and then I just want to see the transition in that. So yeah, let's finish this. See my love. Hi my loves, so this is I'm now using the camera. I hope you guys can see everything. It's like literally showing everything. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much my loves for watching until this far. I really do appreciate all the love and the support, and I do hope that the sound is better and the quality of the video is so much better. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share this video with your friends and your family. I would really appreciate that. Let's grow this platform. We are so close to like 1K, which I am very excited for. So yeah, thank you so much. I will definitely see you in my next video.